In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use merge fields in email templates in Salesforce. Merge fields are a powerful tool that allow you to automatically pull in specific data from Salesforce records into your email templates, creating personalized and dynamic content for your recipients. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to effortlessly incorporate these into your email communications, saving you time and improving the efficacy of your emails. Let's start by heading to your Salesforce homepage. Here, you're going to access the app launcher. This is the grid icon often referred to as the app grid located in the upper left corner. Clicking on it will open a menu where you can find all the apps and items you have permission to access. Within the app launcher, you'll want to locate and click on Email Templates. This will take you to a list of all existing templates in your Salesforce environment. Once you're in the Email Templates section, click on New Email Template to start creating a fresh template. This is where we begin crafting the core structure of your message. First, let's give your new template a meaningful name. This is crucial for quick identification in the future among potentially numerous template subtypes. After naming your template, you'll be asked to choose a related entity type. This choice dictates the type of records from which you can pull data through merge fields. And for instance, if you are creating an email for contacts, you should select Contact as the related entity. This selection ensures that your merge fields relate correctly to the right type of Salesforce records. Now, you'll need to fill in the subject line. Keep it compelling and concise, as this is the first thing your recipient will see in their inbox. It's crucial to make a positive impression here to encourage email opens. The magic happens when you start inserting merge fields. In your email body, click on Insert Merge Field. This opens a menu to choose from different available fields. Merge fields allow you to pull personalized data into the email, like a recipient's first name or company. This feature significantly customizes your email content, making each message feel tailor-made for its recipient and enhancing engagement. Once you've selected a merge field, focus on explaining how to effectively integrate it. Choose the specific field from the menu and hit Insert. The field will appear in parentheses within your email text, showing exactly where the personalized data will populate from your Salesforce data. After inserting all necessary fields, let's finalize your email template by clicking on Save. This action preserves all the careful adjustments and personalizations you've just made, making your new email template ready for use whenever you need it in future email campaigns. And that's it! You're now equipped with the knowledge to use merge fields in Salesforce email templates, significantly elevating the personalization of your communications. Remember, the more personalized your message, the better the response you'll likely receive.